Hey, what's going on guys? Krowcast Ahmed here, and today we're taking a look at two unique kits that came out recently. One is going to be the 2020 Olympics RX-78-2 Revive. The other one is going to be the 2020 Paralympics RX-78-2 Revive. It's essentially the same thing, but going to be colored in red. So I'm actually probably going to just build the blue version, the regular Olympics, and I'll keep this one to the side because I don't know if it's going to go up in price or if it's going to be, become super rare. I would honestly like to keep it just in case I can get a pretty good price later on. So I'll just build the blue one and we'll take a look at that kit. So the price they're going for retail is roughly around $15 or 1,500 yen. So I would honestly recommend you, if you can find them in a retail setting, to get them if they're going to be around that price. However, once they are pretty much off the shelves and done, being produced, these things are going to go up quite a bit. And even online currently, I'm seeing them go from like $40 to $50 each. And that's pretty crazy. So I would really try and persuade y'all to try and get them. If you cannot, I don't really know what else to tell you. Some retailers, or online retailers I should say, probably are not going to be stocking these. These seem to be really Japan focused. But if you can find them for a pretty good cheap price, then it's going to be a good shelf kind of like rarity item. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Now that it's all built up, my initial thoughts are, it's amazing. I never built a Revive RX-78-2 before, so seeing this, I don't know, man, I really like it. Oh, you like the Revive, but I never hear you compliment the mega size. I mean, what do you want me to say, Steve? Look, you're about 10 years old, this one's only about 5, it has better articulation, it looks good. Yeah, but I got better surface detail, and I'm sentient. That may be true, Steve, but honestly, I would sacrifice you talking for something that can pose really well and doesn't talk at all. You sack of shit. How dare you? Of all the things we've been through, all the adventures and good times, that's how you think of me? Well, Steve, you literally killed me. I mean, what do you want me to say to that? I just need you to say you care. Well, I care about you not killing me, so how about that? That's fair. So with this kit, I'm actually not going to do any articulation or anything on it because there is 1,000 reviews on the Revive RX-78-2. So if you can, just find one of those if you really want to get into articulation. I'm just going to cover the surface level, I guess cosmetic detail that it has in terms of the blue coloring and the stickers that it comes with and everything else that the package is actually going to come with. It's nothing really too unique, but there is a couple of new items that is going to be with this kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it all here. So for the colors, it's going to be in this more grayish tone, and then you're going to have that light blue as well as that dark blue right up here for the body as well as the shield. Now this kit for the most part is going to be pretty bland, not much color separation, so yeah, you do have like the nice little blue and grays and all that, but most of the weaponry is going to be very simple. So if you are going to want to do some kind of like color corrections, this would be a good kit to go ahead and practice on. So for stickers, you are going to have some for the eyes, you got some for the cameras, as well as one for the crotch. But I went ahead and just skipped the one for the crotch. I'll just leave it all blue, but yeah, that's the color it's supposed to be. So the main accessories you're going to have for this kit, aside of what you've already seen, is going to be an open hand for the left and right, and then you're also going to have like the beam saber holding hand for the right hand, and then you're going to have the back piece in case you don't want to swap out for the bazooka and you just want to keep it pretty much flat. Now what's really cool is you get this shield and then the Tokyo 2020 sticker right there, and it actually falls pretty nicely on there. You don't really see the outline of the sticker even in person unless you're getting the some of the light kind of reflecting on it, but nonetheless it looks really good. And you have these two ports right here, so if you do want to put it on a stand, you could take that out or the other one and you could place the stand right inside there, just as simple as this. And then this neck piece is going to have different ways to be adjusted, so you can take it off and just readjust it in one of those little notches, but for the most part I'm just going to keep mine standing straight. Now this kit is going to come with a few stickers for the base kit. One is going to be the Tokyo 2020 for the chest, and the other one is going to be for the shoulder that says Games of the 2020 Olympics, which I like it. It's not really too bad. The sticker goes on really nicely, and once again, I don't really see the outline on this as I do the 2020 Tokyo one for the chest. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much to this kit. It really is just the RX-78-2 in a blue color scheme with a couple of stickers and a stand. Nothing really too special, but if you do like those kind of themed RX-78 kits, then this is going to be one that you want for your shelf. I'm definitely trying to keep as many as I can, so when I do have the opportunity to go out and purchase a few more, I definitely will, and then try and sell the extras. But for the most part, it's a really cool kit. So because I kind of shortchanged you guys with a very short review with no articulation and not really covering much of the details, how about I give y'all some nice little poses? So cue the pose montage. Bye bye.